got one of these gazebo hubs, but they're not very waterproof. So normally it goes on the outside and we'd put a tarp over it, but we're trying to do real simple setups this time. So what I'm thinking, we might try and attach it to the middle section so it's out and underneath, so it's covered, because we don't need the marquee. It's not like we're going to sit in it, we're going to hang around the fire and outdoors. It's not raining anyway, but it's just to keep the dew off the tent. So yeah. What? Ow. Oh. Who needs a hammer? Done. Look at that, that actually works. So now we don't have to cover it. And the thing I like about these gazebo hubs is like the Wanderer one, it's fully open. The zips go all the way to the side.
Look what I found just off the ground.
Oh, put that in a pile. We're collecting bottle caps because some knobhead thinks it's funny to put bottle caps and just flick them all over the campsite. So we've also got the metal detector here too. We'll scan the campsite and remove all the bottle caps that are just under the surface that you might cut your feet on, stuff like that. Time to pump up the air mattress. Oh, it doesn't reach. Ever had the problem with an air mattress where the cable's just too short and it won't reach the car? Well, I've solved that problem and it's real easy. A simple solar power extension with Anderson plugs, and I've made up an Anderson plug with the cigarette lighter end on the end. Now you can pump the bed up in the actual tent instead of on the car where you get punches and then you've got to drag it across all sorts of crap. So off we go. Neurum Creek, eh? What an amazing place, especially when there's no one here. We didn't bring enough firewood with us. We're hoping to get some firewood like along the way, but so we decided, since we've got the whole campsite to ourselves, go and check out the other fire pits to see if there's some wood laying around that we can take. People had just left earlier this morning, just as we got here, and we thought they'd left all their rubbish behind. And then I'm like, wait, is that a whole heap of firewood? But it turns out it was a massive bag of barbecue coals, half a packet of fire lighters, and a whole stack of like proper firewood. So, score.
And some newspapers.
And newspapers.
My feet.
That's right.
Me.
This is the local paper. We mainly use it for lighting fires. Sorry to the people that produce it. Burnt myself on the last one. Thanks, local paper. We've got some big ones to throw on later. This one's even got its own bum.
I spotted that.
Yeah, she actually spotted it.
Yeah. I spotted the booty.
Butt log.
Ooh, shit. Yum. A wet sausage.
Yeah, see, it's gonna warm up.